Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how I tinted the shimmer paste to create this beautiful brick background. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. You're going to need some shimmer paste, a reinker, your silicone craft mat, and a mask. So I'm going to take my palette knife and place a little of my shimmer paste onto my silicone mat, and then I want to close this up so that it doesn't dry out. I'm going to take my crumb cake, Classic Reinkers, and I'm going to put a couple of drops onto my shimmer paste pile, and then I'm going to start mixing it. And you're going to do this until you get the color that you like, simply mixing it around and smoothing it out so that that color is distributed evenly. And this is a quick and easy way to tint your shimmer paste. Once I have the shimmer paste tinted like I want to bring over my piece of cardstock and my Pattern Party decorative mask. I'm using the brick image here and I'm setting it down over my cardstock. And if you want, you can put a little painter's tape to hold this in place. But because my cardstock is small enough, I think I'm okay. I'm going to take my shimmer paste and I am going to spread it onto my mask. And you can be fairly heavy with this because once you got it in the place you want it, you're going to take your spatula and you're going to use the side of it to pull that shimmer paint excess off. And then you're going to want to carefully remove the mask to expose the beautiful brick wall. And then I like to have a bucket of water handy so that I can slip my mask into that quickly. Our shimmer paste, because it is thinly placed onto your cardstock and onto your mask, does dry quickly. So that's a quick and easy way to keep things clean. To clean the mask, after I've put it into the bucket of water and swooshed a little bit and rubbed off the excess, I like to take a rag that I've got and simply lay it on there and dry it off. And at that point, I'm ready for my next project. If you'd like any of these products, stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.